The dream for black unity is a fallacy of white supremacy, which suggests to the mind of black people that unity is gone, never was, once was, or is elusive. So we dream for something we want because we believe this unity will save us. As long as we are waiting for it, we will not realize we already have it. We are under the impression that numbers or a majority is what unity means. That is not coincidental. This country created a structure that says majority rules, but this too is a fallacy. Indeed, white people are not the majority in the world, and white men are not the majority in the U.S. Consider then, if the majority is in fact not ruling, why would black people believe that it takes one? Indoctrination and conditioning of the kind that says unity equals numbers, and we need to wait for those numbers before we have any chance for power. Unity is a concept, not a weapon. Blackness is a collective state of being, which is who we are. And this is what the concept of unity is. This is what will never be broken as long as we recognize it and understand we will never have to wait for it.